Hello, it's me.
Hey guys, I'm back. Hey guys, I am back. Finally, it has been forever. I'm so sorry for just dropping off the face of the earth. Basically, moving is hard, and moving is hard, and moving is hard. But in all seriousness, I'm so sorry. It has been forever since I've uploaded. Life has just been extremely crazy and it's finally starting to settle down, and I'm super excited to get back into videos and share projects with you all. So be on the lookout for lots more projects. There will be tons more videos coming from me. But yeah, so many of you guys have sent me messages or emails, and if I have not responded to you, I'm so sorry. I am so behind on absolutely everything, but just know that I really appreciate your concern and just checking up on me to see if I'm all right, or just to say that you missed my videos. It really means a lot to me that you guys even think of me. So yeah, thanks for looking out for me. But honestly, I don't really know where to start with this video. I've had a tremendous amount of anxiety about coming back and just getting back into the swing of things, because I have kind of felt like a failure that I was not able to like handle all of the moving stuff and still put out content, and like that's the irrational side of me. And then the rational side of me is like, you had no tools, you had no anything, like everything was packed up. It was just a really stressful time moving across states and having all the issues with the house, and it was too much for me to continue creating videos. So I've had a tremendous amount of guilt for not uploading and a tremendous amount of anxiety to come back, because like, what if everybody hates me now since I haven't uploaded? So I hope you guys don't. I hope you're excited that I'm going to be putting out new videos and sharing that with you all, and I'm really excited about that. I think I'm going to break this video down into sections. This first section, I suppose, should be titled, "Where the heck have you been?" As I said before, moving is hard, and it becomes harder as you accumulate more crap and junk. I'm not a stranger to moving. This was my 26th move in my life. So I thought going into this that I was professional and it would not be hard, but I did not factor in that it was the heat of summer in July in the South, and it was just my husband and I moving by ourselves with our 2 dogs. They're no help. So in me thinking that I was a moving professional and this would be a piece of cake, I was so wrong. I didn't have the energy to pick up the camera and share everything because I was not in a happy, cheerful, positive mindset. I was stressed. But I did end up filming a few things while we were in the process over the past couple of months. So the next section, I guess, should be the house progress. So a few weeks from my last video, we actually went up to the house and went to our pre-drywall meeting where we got to see the house built and all the studs and just kind of get a feel for an actual house being on the lot. And that was very exciting. And while we were up there, we were going to write Bible verses that held special meaning to us on the studs and specific rooms and stuff. So that's what we did. And here's a few clips from that. And honestly, after seeing the house in like a house form, I mean, obviously there's no drywall or siding or anything, it felt like all this stress was worth it. It was starting to become more okay when we were starting to get excited about the house. And sure, the yard is much smaller than we had intended, but I have reconciled myself to having a smaller yard and I think it'll be cozy. And now, a month after moving, I have a whole game plan for things I want to do to the backyard. It has to be approved by the HOA, so tentative on that, but I have dreams for this backyard, so hopefully it'll turn out good. So a couple weeks after our pre-drywall meeting, it was finally time to move. And sadly, I have no footage of the move. I have no footage of the house before we moved in because it was mayhem. As I said, July in the South, the heat of the summer, I was a mess. It was a sweaty sweat mess, and nobody wants to see that. Yeah, nobody wants to see that. And now we're moved in. I'm mostly unpacked now. The house is kind of empty feeling still because we don't have a lot of big furniture pieces to move into the house, and we haven't bought any new furniture pieces for the house yet. And I know that you are probably dying to see a house tour. I am getting harassed by my own family members to get a house tour up, so I am working on that. I will hopefully get it up this coming Wednesday, and I will post it on Instagram and everything when it's live. I want to preface this by saying, don't expect an amazing, breathtaking house tour. It's very builder grade. We did not pay for a lot of upgrades. There's carpet most places and the wall colors aren't what I've chosen. There's a lot of things that I want to change. This will definitely be a before tour. So all of this will be before video of all of the changes that I want to do. So take the house tour with a grain of salt. It's not going to be super fancy. And there's a helicopter, and hopefully I'll do an after house tour in a few years when everything is done how I want it. But let's be real, I probably won't be done ever because I will constantly want to change something. So, but yes, that's it for this video. I am back and I'm super excited to share with you the hundreds upon hundreds of ideas that are just buzzing around in my head. I can't sleep at night, you guys, because I just want to work on all of the projects all at once. But my wallet cries when I think like that, and it'll have to come one project at a time. But yeah, I hope you're excited for more content, and I'm excited to share that with you guys. I hope you guys all have amazing weeks, and I will see you guys in the next video. As always, bye guys!